Everybody loves hot sauce. There are a million different varieties all over the world. There are smoky ones, there are sweet ones, there are super, super hot ones, and then there are some nice mild ones for people like me. What is the main ingredient of all these hot sauce? It's chili peppers. Each pepper has a compound in it called capsaicin, and the amount of capsaicin is what determines how hot each pepper is. All the different peppers have different amounts of capsaicin inside them. Hot sauce really varies by region because what happens is the peppers that grow in the different regions then get combined with the local flavors. So for example, something like Scotch bonnet or habaneros, which are native to the Caribbean, people there started making hot sauce with sweet ingredients like mango and pineapple. In every different region, there's a different hot sauce with a local flavor. So have you ever noticed when you eat something really super duper spicy, water does nothing to help you? Basically, the capsaicin in your mouth just swishes around and gets worse when you take a big swig of water. But if you have some milk, that'll temper things. The casein in the milk actually strips the capsaicin off your tongue and makes you feel a lot better. So the same principle basically works in cooking. When you're making a brine for a fried chicken, a really fun idea is to add a little hot sauce to your buttermilk, because what happens is the casein in the buttermilk strips some of the heat from the hot sauce, but keeps all the flavor. The ethanol and alcohol can also help temper the spiciness of that hot sauce, and that's why drinking an ice cold beer is so great with tacos. And a michelada is also a great idea. Now I'm gonna make some hot sauce. I'm gonna make a really basic hot sauce. It's basically just 3 ingredients. I've got salt, vinegar, and peppers. You can vary your peppers depending on how hot you like your hot sauce. So right here I have Fresno peppers. I'm keeping the ribs and the seeds inside because I want it to be really hot. If you want it to be a little less hot, you could take them out. I've also taken off the stems. Sugar helps temper the heat in hot sauce, so you can also add a little bit of sugar if your hot sauce is too hot, like in sriracha. 1 cup of vinegar. That looks nice. Now I'm gonna add some salt, about a tablespoon of salt. And that's it. So the next step is just to cook this mixture down until it's nice and thick. That's looking really good. It's reduced down to a nice thick sauce. You could take it a little further if you like your sauce a little thicker. You could certainly stop a little earlier if you like your sauce a little thinner. This stuff is very spicy and very hot, and you really don't want to touch your eyes or anywhere else. So now we're just going to keep this jar at room temperature to ferment. And you want to taste it every day, every couple days, and see if you like it. And once you like it, that's where you keep it, and then you transfer it in the jar to the fridge, and it's ready to use.